guys, this is Daniel Rahul. Welcome to my channel. So guys, right now I am going to Gujarat. So successfully completed Maharashtra trip. So I am going to Gujarat. So today I am gonna stay in Surat. So it's been I think almost 1 month back I started Maharashtra trip completely done. So in Gujarat I think 20 days I'll be there in Gujarat. So after that I'll go to Rajasthan. 1 second. I'm getting some sounds here. Something is there, I think. 1 second. Wow. Seriously? Seriously? No one is there. Wow, such a nice place. Wow. Wow. Wait. Ooh. Oh, I don't even know what is this waterfall's name. How nice it is. See from the small one, cute one. Wait, I'll go there. When I'm going Surat, I got this. I don't even know this place name. Just randomly. Wow. How can I go there? Ooh, I want to get down from here. My bike, no problem, no. Ooh. Wow. Seriously? Yay! I got such a nice and cute waterfalls. I don't know this place name. I have to ask someone. Nice, no? The down it is damn good. Wait. Seriously, it's really damn good. Ooh! Wow! From there to here, see here. Wait, I'll go here. I want to go there. There is a one more, but there is no route. Amma. I have to jump from here. I don't want to take risk because I don't have confidence. This is little. I will try from there. Wait. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah, this is okay. Easily I can jump. Okay. Ready? A little bit I'm getting scared. It's okay. Ready? One. Puncha, I'll go like this and I'll jump. Okay, okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Super. Well done, Rahul. Now I can go. Wow. Tata, some old man is washing clothes, Papa. I'll help him. Wow! This is damn good compared with those two. Ooh! I can go down from here, I think. Make sure I should come back. Once if I go there, how can I come back? I think I can go down. I will try. If I'm not coming up again, bokka. It's okay, I'll try. Oh, here completely slippery. I should be very careful. I'll fall down. Definitely I'll fall down. Oh. See, slippery. Slowly I have to get down. Wow! Thank God, finally I came. Whoa! I can go there also, I think. I don't think so I can go that side. But this is damn good. See water. See this location only. So finally my first video in Gujarat. I didn't expect. Just now I entered into Gujarat. Just now I found this place. So the main task now I have to go back. from here route is here. God. Wow! Woo! If I go there again, I can't come. Yay! I think I'll try to jump from here there. I don't think so again I can come back. I'll try. My feet just came out. Now I have to go back, no? This is important part. Yeah! Finally, super place, yeah, really super place. I leave. I have to reach Surat by 7:30 because from morning continuously I am traveling. Thank God, no one is there. If everybody is there with that crowd, I can't. It is my bike. Yes, 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 yes. Finally. Bye bye, guys.